three adjectives that St. John Paul II used to describe what is nuptial love. First, it must be free. Second, it must be faithful. And third, it must be fruitful.
Thea, kailanman di kita pagtataksilan.
Isuot mo at pakiingatan ang singsing na ito
Na siyang tanda ng ating pag-ibig at katapatan.
sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak,
At Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Pag tumawa may 10,000 ay. Siya 1,000 yung isa dyan. Galing ball!
Thea, bukal ba sa ilo may pagparito pabasa ni Dave C. Paul na yung pakamamal paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Oh, Father. Thank you for the efforts. Ako na naiyak ako, love you.
What did I do to find someone like you? When all that I've known is a heartbroken past.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Pag nakakasapo ko sa beer house,
All that I see.
mali ko ata yung notes na ibang kasal po ata.
Maybe my bad luck and karma gave up when they saw you. Guess angels like you get a pass. So I'll hold on to you with all I have. 'Cause you are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. And you are the answer, you're all that I've asked for. And I knew it right from the start. Yeah, you're everything right, you're the love of my life. Forever my light in the dark.
Thea, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Paul na ito ay nalisod sa batas at manatutunin ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Huwag po sa papagalasan ng sarili bilang kanya may bahay.
Opo, Father.
Makalaan ka bang baligatin sa pilang pananagot at bilang may asawa?
Opo, Father.
All the love that you give. 'Cause I'm just a vagrant, difficult type. You're selfless in nature, you're one of a kind. So I'm gonna hold on tight. 'Cause you are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. And you are the answer, you're all that I've asked for. And I knew it right from the start. Yeah, you're everything right, you're the love of my life. Forever my light in the dark. Darling, you are the good part. You're the good part. You're the good part.
Paul, sumasangayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Thea na naatungin sa batas magtuntunin ang ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mapagalasan ng sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Makalaan ka bang balikatin sa bilang pananagot ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Muli, palapakan natin bagong kasal. Paul, you may kiss your wife, Thea.